You ever have one of those days where you do absolutely nothing and still feel like your soul just ran a marathon? Like you wake up, scroll your phone, maybe watch a few videos, sit around, exist, and somehow by evening you feel exhausted. Not I worked hard tired, more like my brain is melting tired. So what's going on here? Why does your brain feel like it fought 10 jungle battles when all it really did was scroll for bananas? Today, we're going to break down why your brain is secretly draining your energy, even when you think you're doing nothing, and more importantly, how to fix it. Part 1. The problem. Let's be honest, modern life has turned your brain into a confused little monkey. Back in the day, your monkey had a simple job. Find bananas, avoid tigers, and chill in the trees. That's it. Clear mission, clean energy usage. But now, your monkey wakes up and immediately jumps between 50 different trees. Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, random thoughts, imaginary arguments, future worries, all before breakfast. And here's the weird part. None of this feels like work. You're not lifting weights, you're not running, you're just scrolling. But your brain is like, bro, we are in a chaotic jungle right now. So by the end of the day, your monkey is lying on the ground like it just survived a war, even though it never left the couch. Part 2. Why it happens. Science. All right, let's decode this with some actual brain science, but don't worry, we'll keep it monkey-friendly. First thing, your brain is not designed for constant switching. Every time you jump from one app to another, one thought to another, your brain burns energy. This is called cognitive switching cost. Basically, every time your monkey jumps trees, it uses fuel. Now, imagine doing that hundreds of times per hour. That's like forcing your monkey to sprint, stop, sprint, all day. No wonder it's tired. Second, dopamine overload. Every scroll gives you a tiny banana reward, a funny video, a like, a message, small hits of dopamine. Sounds good, right? But here's the twist. Too many easy bananas confuse your brain. Your monkey starts expecting constant rewards, so when there's no stimulation, it feels bored and drained at the same time. Like, where are my bananas? Why is life so empty? Third, decision fatigue. Even when you're just scrolling, your brain is making micro decisions. Should I watch this? Should I skip? Should I reply? Should I like? Each decision uses mental energy. It's like your monkey is constantly choosing which tree to jump to, and after a while, it just gives up and lies down. So here's the paradox. Doing nothing is actually one of the most mentally exhausting things you can do if your brain is overstimulated. Part 3. The deeper issue. Now, here's where it gets a little scary. This constant mental jumping doesn't just make you tired, it trains your brain to stay tired. Your monkey forgets how to rest properly. Instead of real rest, like calm, silence, or deep focus, your brain only knows noisy rest, which is not rest at all. It's like trying to recharge your phone while 50 apps are still running in the background. And over time, your brain starts losing its ability to focus, to enjoy slow moments, even to feel motivated. Because why climb a big tree when you can get instant bananas for free? Your monkey becomes lazy, distracted, and exhausted all at the same time, which is honestly impressive and tragic. Part 4. Solutions. The how-to. All right, enough suffering. Let's fix your monkey. Here are 5 practical ways to stop feeling tired after doing nothing. Number 1. The single tree rule. Focus on one thing at a time. For at least 30 to 60 minutes, do one activity, no switching, whether it's studying, working, or even watching something. Why it works? Your monkey stops jumping trees and finally chills on one branch. Example, instead of watching YouTube while checking messages and scrolling Instagram, just watch one video. That's it. Number 2, Dopamine Detox, light version. You don't need to go full monk mode, just reduce easy bananas. Pick 1 to 2 hours daily where you avoid social media, short videos, and constant notifications. Why it works? Your brain resets its reward system. Suddenly, normal tasks don't feel boring anymore. Example, no phone after waking up for 1 hour. Your monkey will hate you, then thank you. Number 3, scheduled nothing time. Yes, actually do nothing, but properly. No phone, no music, no distractions. Just sit, walk, or lie down. Why it works? Your brain finally processes thoughts instead of constantly reacting. Example, go outside, sit quietly for 10 minutes. Your monkey will initially panic like, where are the bananas?
Then calm down. Number 4, reduce micro-decisions. Make small things automatic. Same breakfast daily, fixed study or work time, pre-decided tasks. Why it works? Your brain saves energy for important things instead of wasting it on tiny choices. Example, if your monkey doesn't have to decide what to eat, it has more energy to actually function. Number 5, deep work equals real energy. This sounds weird, but doing hard, focused work actually gives you more energy than scrolling. Why? Because your brain enters a flow state where it stops switching and starts focusing deeply. Example, study for 45 minutes straight. You'll feel more energized than 2 hours of random scrolling. Your monkey loves purpose, it just forgot. Part 5, the payoff. Imagine this. You wake up, your mind is calm, not overloaded. You do one thing at a time and actually enjoy it. By evening, instead of feeling drained, you feel satisfied, like your energy went somewhere meaningful. That's what happens when your monkey stops chasing random bananas and starts living with intention. The goal isn't to eliminate rest, it's to fix it. Because real rest doesn't come from doing nothing. It comes from doing less, but doing it properly. Closing. So next time you feel tired after doing nothing, don't blame yourself. Blame your overworked monkey jumping between 100 useless banana trees, and then gently train it. If you found this helpful, hit like. It tells the algorithm to give more bananas to this video. Subscribe if you want to understand your brain better and maybe control your monkey instead of letting it control you. And if you're serious about improving your life, consider joining the channel membership. Deeper content, smarter monkeys. Thanks for watching. Now, go. Give your brain some real rest.